Hello everyone, my name is Mehek Janeja and I'm currently pursuing BCom Honours from Kamala Nehru College, and I'm in my final year right now, that is the third year. First, let's discuss something about the application process. So, taking into consideration the ongoing pandemic, there have been quite a few changes in the admission procedure. All of it is being carried online. So, every Saturday, Delhi University uploads a cut-off list. If you're eligible according to that list, you will have to upload your documents on Monday. You will have to wait for a day or two for the teacher convener and the principal to approve your documents of that particular college. After that, once you pay the fees, you will receive a fee receipt on which there's a unique ID number. Just in case if you want to change your college in the next cutoff list, you will have to follow the same procedure again. And when the time comes to pay the fee, you will have to put in that unique ID number so that the fees from previous college gets transferred, and you will have to pay whatever extra amount is needed. Now, moving over to the courses that are provided by Kamala Nehru College, in our Commerce department, we have BCom Honours and BCom Program. This year, BCom Honours has 65 to 70 seats, whereas BCom Program has 210 seats. Throughout the 3 years, we studied 26 different subjects in BCom Honours and 24 different subjects in BCom Program. There are some differences between BCom Honours and BCom Program. Maths is a compulsory subject in BCom Honours, whereas it is not a restriction in BCom Program. Also, the subjects that we study in BCom Honours are a bit more detailed as to those in BCom Program. Moving over to the placements in our college, out of the big 4 companies, we have 2 coming to our college, that is EY and KPMG. Apart from these companies, there are a lot of other companies that come to recruit us, like Zomato, NIIT, Wipro, etc. They provide an average package of 3.5 lakhs and the highest package of 7 lakh rupees. Apart from this, we have a lot of internships throughout the year from different companies like Decathlon, Coozys, Glinks International, etc. Some of these are incentive based, whereas some provide us with LORs, that is letter of recommendation. Moving over to the courses that we can do while doing our graduation and the career prospects after doing BCom Honours and BCom Program. While doing our graduation, we can either go for CA, CFA, CS and Actuarial, and after completing our graduation, we can either go for college placements, or we can pursue our masters in commerce, or we can go for an MBA. Now let's talk about the faculty of our college. In the Commerce department, we have 13 permanent teachers and 10 ad hoc teachers. All the teachers in our college are very well qualified and hold multiple degrees. All of them are very helpful and have been with us throughout the years. Not only the teachers of our department, but also the teachers of other departments and the administration staff as well. Teachers have always been there to clear our doubts in the classes and also on individual basis. Now let's talk about the sport activities that are available in our college. We have various sports like basketball, cricket, football, athletics, etc. To be a part of these sports, you will have to be a part of NSO, that is National Sports Organization. You will have to choose one among the 3 sports, that is karate, athletics and yoga. If you are a national level player, you can directly go for sports like basketball, football, cricket, etc. Every year, NSO puts up a sports day which is actively participated by the teachers and the students. It has a lot of races and a lot of other events as well. Now let's talk about the societies of our college. In the cultural societies, we have Glitz, the Fashion Society, Enigma, the Western Dance Society, Nupur, the Indian Dance Society, Zephyr, the English Music Society, Sangeetika, the Indian Music Society, and Lakshya, the Theatre Society. All of these cultural societies take part in a lot of inter-college events and also participate in our college as well. Apart from these, we have a lot of other societies as well, like the Placement Cell, the Consumer Club, Women Development Cell, the Entrepreneurship Cell, the Debating Society, and many more. Apart from that, every department has its own association, like the Commerce Association, Maths Department, Economics Department, Psychology Department, and a lot more. All of these departments have their yearly fest, which they organize single-handedly. Moving over to the infrastructure of our college, KNC is very famous for its chopal. You will always find girls hanging out in our college in between the lectures. Coming over to the most aesthetic part of our college, that is the bamboo rooms. Those are the classrooms made up of wooden bamboo and have caricatures on the wall. We have a lot of parks which are a perfect spot for all the chilly winter mornings. And also we have an auditorium where most of our events take place, like the freshers, seminars, etc. Talking about the environment and safety in our college, KNC being a girls' college is a very safe place. You can wear whatever you feel like wearing and you will not feel scared. KNC is like a fashion parade. Also, for any mishappening, there is always adequate security present inside and outside the college as well. Moving over to the fest, we have a yearly fest called Ullas that is conducted 2 days in the month of March. It's 2-day gala full of all the events, competitions, 2-day full of concerts. It is a very good event and it is one of the most famous fest of Delhi University. Talking about my overall experience in Kamala Nehru, spending 3 years with all the people and all the teachers has been a roller coaster ride. Being a part of all the societies, enjoying all the fests throughout the year has been one of an experience. All the teachers have been very good to us and the knowledge that they have given has been immense.